Hello, my friends. How y'all doing? I just got home and I'm tired, but we got a little delivery from Lime Life. There's only about 3 little products in here, but there's 2 in there where I'm trying a different color. So I thought we'd unbox it and check them out and try them out. I bought something else too today. I'll show you in a minute. Okay, so here they are. We got 3 goodies. 1, 2, 3. Make sure that's it. All right. This one I already have. Oh, that's interesting. The box is different. Oh, okay. This should be my cream blush. My peaches. Yes, it is. I'm just about out of this. And I've never had that happen. Like, seriously, how am I supposed to use that if it's going to be doing that? I'm going to have to let them know that came right out. That's my favorite color, peaches. Now it's got a dent in it. I'm not happy about that. I have to be careful putting the lid on too, not to squish it because I can't roll it down. Well, that's off to a good start. Okay, they've got another cream blush called Crush. Now this is in a wider box. I wonder why. Crush. I got a crush on you. I don't know if this is my color. I don't normally wear. I think it's kind of orangey. But it's the only one that I don't have. Of course, this one doesn't fall out. See? Bring it closer. And well, let's just give it a try on my cheek. I know I should be doing this in the bathroom because I found a shade. Probably put too much. What does that look like? I'm gonna go in the bathroom and look, and plus show you the next product because I gotta be able to see what's going on here. Could be looking like a clown. Hang on a sec. All right, I'm in the bathroom and I can see it. It's not bad actually. I don't mind. I don't mind the orange. Peaches on my hand. What did I call it? Crush. I want to call orange Crush. But so this is the perfect cream blush. And yeah, I don't mind it at all. I think I might like it actually. Okay. All right. I have 2 of these already. Okay. This is 0506. These are the new lippy sticks. They're the perfect sheer lipstick. And I love the one I got is coral. It's so pretty. You know me, I like coral, right? So this one is not, this is 04. And since they're kind of sheer, I thought this would end, dare I say, winter, but fall is coming. You know, we might dress up, go a little dark. Oh, it is pretty. Look at, like, can you see that very well? It's my glasses. I need new glasses. Okay, that is gorgeous. Let's give this a try. Oh, wow. Sorry, you missed your mouth. Come on now. Oh, that's pretty. I actually like that. See? That's really, really nice. That actually would go really well with the Ladybug blush. I'm loving these cream blushes, you guys, especially for mature skin. Their makeup is very professional, top notch, and I love their makeup. Yeah. I like it. I like it. Okay, so we'll have to deal with the peaches because I'm not happy that fell out like that. Okay, I'll take you back to the kitchen because I just want to show you something quick. That's a little bit of the window lighting. It's so soft and moisturizing, and that's the one cheek I did with Crush. Okay, this has nothing to do with Lime Life. Bloop. This is like, I've never had a rice cooker. I don't know, I went to London Drugs. This is Starfrit. And I grabbed it. It's ceramic non-stick coating made without PFAS. Yeah, so I mean, I love the way rice the texture on the stove, but it's always spitting and boiling over. And I've tried all these different tricks and stuff. So I thought, I'll just break down and get a rice pot. It's just me. I don't need some big fancy thing. I'm not eating rice every night. But anyways, I'll open it and show you. So here it is. It's pretty basic, warm cook. It's cute. And then you've got your pan, which is ceramic. I don't know, my neighbor has a non-sticky thing, and that rice just sticks every time on the bottom. I cook for him, and you gotta soak it. It drives me nuts. This does that. I'm keeping the receipt because I ain't handling that. There's your little container. I see I'm missing something. I was supposed to get a spoon, so we'll figure that out in a minute. And no, I won't be using that to steam with. I think that's plastic. No thanks. Hang on, I'm gonna look for the spoon. Spoon, paddle, whatever you call it. Here it is. It was stuck in the box. So there we go. Who else uses a rice cooker out there? And if you do, what kind do you use? Do you like it? Let me know. Because, I mean, I'll give this one a chance. Like I say, I don't cook a lot of rice, but I'll try it out tonight and see. All right. Thanks for joining me. I made these cookies the other day. They're so good. I even put them out in the garage in the freezer, but I keep still going up there and grabbing one. So I'm going to have one of those and I'm going to relax for a bit. So I hope you're all having a great day out there. And yeah, thanks for joining me. Bye.